The third test diagnostics, we have motor encoder test. We just went through sensor test, exit out of there, hit the 2, we have motor encoder test. And we hit pound, we enter into there. Now, all along we've been seeing numbers up here. We were in calibration, we seen X numbers and Y numbers. We didn't really pay much attention to them. But now, in the motor encoder test, we want to pay attention to these numbers. And what this does, it allows us to see the communication between the Venn motors as far as the X and the Y motors and the control boards. So I'm going to move the cup and I'm going to watch those numbers change. The X is left to right, the Y is up and down. So the cup is all the way over to the left hand side. I want to move the cup this way. So the X is 834. It's going to change by 300. So it's negative 834. So I'll move the cup this way using the 6 key. And it went to 534. Negative 534. The negatives on this side, the plus on this side, we're coming back to 0. If I hit it again, it should go to 234. 236 it went to. It's plus or minus 3, as our tolerance is. Right? So that's the X motor. Again, we're testing the X motor encoder. There's a little encoder with sensors on there reading information as far as the cup is moving, sending that information to the DMC board. The Y, we want to move it up. It's negative 5. The Y is 450. Remember, the X is 300, the Y is 450. We hit the 2, we raise it up, negative 5. We have a plus 446. From negative 5 to 446 is 451, plus or minus 3 again. Okay, again, we're testing the Y motor. The Y motor is down here under this box right here that raises and lowers the elevator. The X motor is right here that moves the cup to the left and right. Let me go through some of the key aspects and important features of loading this machine. When you have a drink on the shelf, you have this pusher plate right here. There's a valve in the front here. When the cup comes up and engages this valve, it actually moves this pusher plate to the front of the machine, pushes the drink into the cup. What you want to make sure you do is load the drink in front of that pusher plate. Do not put it behind. You put it behind, there's nothing going to happen. It's trying to push that pusher plate, not the drink itself. The pusher plate is what pushes the drink into the cup. So be certain when you load these, the drinks will go in front of the pusher plate.